So another thing that we need to do to this car is replace the right rubber seal to the door. Why? Because yep, this is how we bought the car. They've tried to glue it. This is the remains of the glue. I told them that it's not going to work. They told me no, it is. So yeah, it's not. I do assume and I do believe that this car was used by a family with children, because why on earth would you buy this type of car if not for this? And yeah, we need to change it. We need to replace it. And I found another one, second hand, of course. A new one, it's like 150 euros, 150 USD, something like this. I do understand that it's brand new, it's wow, but yeah, I found second hand one. I bought two of them. Unfortunately, you know, when you're searching for them, you cannot find them, or they are very expensive. And when you do find them, you're going to find a bunch. I found these two at 50 euros each. And right after that, right after I ordered them, I found two others at 25 euros each. These are coming from a Sharan, which is from 2011. And the guy that sold those to me was nice enough to call me with video and showed it to me, and yes, I was able to see that the car was indeed a Sharan, which is the same type like this one. So I do hope that they are going to fit. This is one, and the other one is that the other thing is that I saw them and they seems to be okay. They are quite weird. Let's take them out. So this is one. Okay, seems to be okay. It's a little bit, oh my god, it's curved and yeah, but it should be good. So this is S, should be left. I don't know, let's see if this one has a D or, oh my god, it was painted. Can you see it? Yeah, let's see. This one is, yep. So this one S is left, it's stânga for Romanian, and this one it's D, which is right, which is dreapta from Romanian. So this would be the one that we will need to change. Come on, Pasha. So yeah, let's see if it's going to fit. Let me pull the camera down. As you can see, it's quite okay. The only issue is that, oh no, it's not paint, it's mold. That's nice. Okay, so I'm going to go and wash it. Okay, good. I'm going to go and wash it in hot water, and this will give her a little bit of bending properties, let's say, because again it's cold. It's like 5 degrees outside and it's cold. But there is a thing that I didn't thought about. So yeah, so this is all of it, right? It goes like this and like this, but we have here the door hinge. Go out, go out. Oh my god, out, kitty cat. That's one of our cats. number 3 actually. So yeah, this is cut. As you can see, this one it's a little bit smaller. Does this one have the same? So do we have this anywhere? Yep, here. You see? So it's higher here and then it comes low, and this one is exactly the same position and it got the same hole here. Yep. So this one is here. So yeah, okay, good. So this one is good, but we have here the door hinge, as you can see it. Okay, how exactly I'm going to put it back, because I cannot add it with this one here. Probably yeah, let me see. I'm going to, I don't know how this one is going to come out. I don't want to break it. Probably here there is a screw or something. This one is actually moving, so I would be able to take it out. Nope, nope, because we have here another one. Ooh, I don't want to. Okay. Yeah, we'll see, we'll see. Let's take it down, and afterwards it should have a cut somewhere here, but it's actually joined and glued like the other one. But I could cut it, and yeah, hopefully it's going to be okay. Okay, so the only way to put back the rubber seal was to take this down, which was here like this. It has two clips. It has two clips here, like this, metal ones, and just pull it down easily. And then we have two big bolts that needs to come off, and then we are able to put the rubber seal without cutting it, because if we cut it, we don't know if it's going to sit properly here, and we cannot extract it otherwise. So let me see if I can find a proper key for these bolts. So we have these keys, and I think that this is going to be a 12. Yep, indeed, it's a 12. But first of all, I'm going to take a marker, yeah, and I'm going to draw around these bolts for me to know exactly how to set it back exactly in the same position. Okay, so we have a marker, and I'm going to do a little bit of black. Like this. So we know where to put them back. So we have here the possibility to make some spacing, different spacing and settings, let's say, to the car. But as we've made the marks, hopefully we are going to put it back in the same place. Okay, it's not broken, it's just out. But now the door is falling, so I need a third hand. The door is falling now, like this, and we need a third hand, so I'll take my little boy to help me. We invented something different. We put a rag over there to keep it from balance in the bad way. This is still out, you see. There is a distance, but now we can take out the rubber seal. Going to make a mark here to try and align it. This is the easy part. Careful not to ruin the trim because it's plastic, and as I've mentioned before, it's cold. It seems that it's not glued and it's coming out. Okay, and the old seal is down. Put the new one and try to align it, because that's why we've made that mark. Try and align it, and I do believe that this is the point where we need to align it. Okay, let me put this one here fast, and then we are going to be able to fix the door back. So now, because everything is set, we are going to put it back. Okay. It's not that complicated because we have here a groove, a metal one and a metal one here, so it's more or less impossible to put it in a wrong position. It's so bad not having light, but it seems that we are in a good position, but not this one, but like this. Up. Like this. Let's make it tight, and we are going to test it anyhow. How is the door closing? And if needed, we're going to make adjustments. Okay, good. Now we need to continue with the rubber seal, and we need to pay attention here because we need to put it underneath the plastic in such way that the plastic will bite on this one here, and in the same time not breaking it. So yeah, let's try it. Seems that it's aligning quite easily, and you just need to press it in, and then the plastic will go over, and it doesn't look bad. I know it's not new, but it doesn't look bad. So let me show you a little bit closer how we're actually doing it. So first we put it here on the metal rail, right, and as it goes in, the plastic will come over it. You see, just a second. You see, now it goes in like this, and it goes in. And the plastic is coming over it, and everything looks perfect. Yeah, so let me continue with this one, and I'll show you at the end how it looks like. But I do believe that we've managed it, and it looks good. Not brand new, because not brand new, but better than the other one.
I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun.
If you can believe it, it's done. Look how nice it looks. Everything is in place. Almost in place, 99%, but it's there. Everything is in. It's going to, if you're ever going to do this, I thought I'm going to cut it, but no. It's as you, so I started on this corner, right, and went down and on the line and up, and here on this side it was like this. So I thought, oh my god, this one is bigger than the other one and I need to cut it and it's going to look bad, but no. Have patience, press it with power, with force, and everything will settle in just perfect, as you can see. Let's see now how the door is closing. So let's see if it's going to close properly. We don't have any gaps or stuff like this. So in good shape, everything is in line, all good. On the lower side, everything is alright. Sorry for the abrupt ending of the video, but I lost a little bit of footage. Thank you a lot for watching. See you next time. Have a wonderful day and bye bye.